For the repair of the APM motor control, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 140 volt AC power supply and a lamp on the controller's output. By toggling the speed motor potentiometer, we toggle the controller's output voltage and it responds accordingly as shown on the luminosity of the lamp. It is now clear that the APM motor control is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.